In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert PDFs into Microsoft Word documents. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your Microsoft Word application. This method works with any recent version of Word, so ensure yours is up to date for the smoothest experience. If you encounter any issues, checking for updates could resolve these quickly. Once you've opened Word and your desired document, locate the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open a variety of options that allow you to integrate new content into your document. Next, in the Insert menu, look for the Object option. This tool is versatile, allowing you to insert everything from spreadsheets to images, and importantly for us, PDFs. Select Object to continue. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see two tabs, Create New and Create from File. We'll focus on Create from File since our aim is to insert an existing PDF. Click on this tab, which should prompt a new set of options. Now you'll notice a Browse button. Click this to open your File Explorer. Here, navigate to the location of your PDF file. Once you've found your PDF, select it and then click Insert. This action links your PDF to the Word document, embedding the file where your cursor is positioned. If you want this to appear in a specific part of your document, ensure your cursor is in the right place before you perform this step. As a tip, you might want to double check the formatting. Once your PDF is embedded, you can resize it or adjust its position by clicking on it and dragging the corners. If the content is extensive, consider using page breaks or different sections in Word to maintain a clean layout. Finally, after embedding your PDF, save your document to avoid losing any changes. You can do this by clicking File and then Save As. Make sure to choose a format that supports embedded objects such as the default Word document format to keep everything in place. And there you have it. Integrating PDFs into your Microsoft Word documents is a quick and straightforward process, ensuring your content is both comprehensive and professional. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anyone who might benefit from this guide. See you in the next video.